All right, culinary quiz time. Here we go.
True or false, searing meat seals in the juices is, I think, a controversial one, right?
Is this the argument they're having over there? Okay.
It looks and feels like the seals in the juices, but it doesn't.
You guys, searing meat doesn't seal in the juices?
Well, people think that it seals in the juices until they put it on their cutting board and they cut it. So technically, it doesn't.
What else does it do? It forms a crust and it seals in the juices.
You can sear the juices in, but if you don't let it rest, then the juices come out. So it's true and false.
100% searing not only creates a crust, but it seals in the juices. Come and fight me on it.
Absolutely not. Hard stop. That's a myth. Then you should get the heck out of it. Like, that's so not true.
Ooh, stock and broth. There's not really that big of a difference.
Stock is very often the foundation. Broth is the outcome that you want to build.
Broth is vegetable, and that a stock has bones in it, but who really knows?
Broth has meat in it, stock just has bones.
It's kind of all the same thing. Put some bones in there, make something yummy.
Almonds.
Marzipan is made from almonds.
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 I hate marzipan. Hate.
Very almondy. If you love almonds, it's for you.
Monty, gyoza, and pierogi can all be described as dumplings.
A dumpling.
Delicious dumplings from around the world.
Mandu, that's Korean for dumpling.
Handheld stuffed snack. How about that?
They're dumplings of the world.
All delicious.
Every culture in the world has their own form of dumpling.
Dumplings. Filled little morsels of goodness wrapped in dough.
Who cares what you call it, as long as you call it delicious?
Farfalle. I should know this, but I honestly don't.
Butterfly in Italian. A little butterfly.
Oh, cute. I love that.
Bow tie, like the, butterfly. That's why they're fanned out. Yeah, you see?
Butterfly, but we call it the bow tie pasta.
It's got the cute little on it.
Farfalle means butterfly, which you get in the stomach once you see me competing against you.
Gin is traditionally flavored with juniper. Delicious.
Gin is flavored with juniper.
The lead character is always juniper.
Gin, my favorite spirit.
Juniper. Juniper.
Juniper.
Juniper.
Juniper.
Those little juniper berries.
Juniper berries.
I'm pretty good at this.
You need 4 sticks of butter to make 1 pound.
I know this. 4 ounces each, 16 ounces in a pound.
Is this math now that you're talking about? 4 sticks of butter equal 1 pound.
4.
4 sticks of butter.
Over the top? I don't know. What does omakase translate to?
Chef's creation or chef's call or chef's pick?
I mean, I leave it to you.
I recently showed us, so if y'all say I'm wrong, then showed us wrong.
Omakase means up to you. So you can be on your day off and ask your friend, what do you want to do? Omakase, that means up to you.
Omakase means to the chef's choice.
Omakase is chef's choice.
It means you're leaving it in the chef's hands, which I prefer because I hate making decisions.
I'm picturing like my years of like sitting at a southern table with like all of the silverware laid out, and you have to like figure out what to use.
I'm 63, I know that one because no one uses them anymore, but when I was growing up, they did.
A fish knife is traditionally offset, meaning that it has like a little divot.
The fish knife has got a little.
If you have a flounder, you like use it to go down the bone, the center bone, and then you get under it and you fillet it out when it's already cooked.
Butter knife is more.
Keep them coming.
That's true. I'm a baker.
2 tablespoons per ounce, 8 ounces per cup, 16 tablespoons per cup is correct. True.
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 Oh man, I knew you guys were gonna start bringing the math.
Is that true?
I love math. I hate true and false questions.
2 to an ounce, 16 in a cup. True.
Oh, geez. So 16 tablespoons would be 8 ounces. 8 ounces equals a cup. True.
That's called ice bath. It's called shocking. That's called blanching.
Shocking, blanching. I think it's the same, no?
Blanching is plunging into boiling water to cook, and then you shock to stop the cook.
Like when you get out of a hot tub and jump into a cold bath for vegetables or humans.
I think it's herbs. It's like thyme, rosemary.
I'm gonna say parsley, thyme, and garlic cloves. Why not?
Garlic, onion, Jesus. No, leeks, thyme. It's another herb. Parsley. Leeks, thyme, and parsley. Took me a second, guys.
So parsley, bay leaves, and thyme.
Parsley, bay leaf, and thyme, all wrapped up into a little bouquet gurney.
MYCOPH
Not heard of the word, but it must be related to the mushroom family.
A mycophile, huh?
Never heard of that. Yes, yes. It has to be someone who loves mushrooms.
Mycophile is a person who loves mushrooms.
They're foraging mushrooms.
Oh shoot, that's me. I go foraging all the time. I should know this word.
It's a seaweed-derived hydrocolloid, if you must know.
I use it in Chinese cuisine often to make something thick. It's a gelatin.
False.
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 It's agar-agar, and no, it's used as a gelatin substitute.
It is also vegan. That means no hoofs, feet, or any of that stuff is used there.
It is used to set something. It doesn't sweeten anything. It has a very neutral flavor.
The Spanish tortilla is very thinly shaved onions and potatoes, and then you cook it down like in a pan with eggs, and then you flip it over, so it's got this like crispy shell. It's delicious and tasty.
Potatoes are always in the Spanish omelet.
A tortilla española is made with potatoes added to eggs.
Potato.
What vegetable? Potato.
Potatoes.
You have potatoes, and then you add, sometimes you can add a pepper just to make for flavorful, but you know, let's say potatoes.
Done. Phew, aced it. Yeah. Good times, guys. Thank you.